This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Visit our website for more information.
A driveshaft is a fundamental component of any drivetrain that transfers torque from the engine and transmission to the final drive or directly to the wheels. Depending on drivetrain design, a vehicle may have only one or multiple driveshafts of multiple different styles, and you may hear them referred to as axle, drive, or propeller shafts. They may also be called drive axles, constant velocity, CV, or half shafts. Every driveshaft features universal or CV joints to allow for length and angle changes which occur due to suspension and drivetrain movement. In addition, there are often other components that share the job of power transfer to the wheels, including intermediate and stub shafts, flanges, and rear axle shafts. Driveshafts and their related components have continuously evolved over the years. Prior to the 1980s, driveshafts were primarily constructed of high-grade steel. Durability was no problem, but their weight affected overall vehicle performance and efficiency. By the mid-80s, composite driveshafts were developed out of materials such as aluminum, carbon fiber, and Kevlar, drastically improving strength-to-weight ratios, resulting in lighter weight components with the ability to handle the same and even higher torque loads. Along with increased strength and weight performance, today's driveshafts are more durable and allow for improved vehicle dynamics, allowing engineers to apply these benefits to safety, handling, and comfort. It's one of the reasons vehicles last longer and perform better than ever before, but when it's time for a driveshaft replacement, technicians and vehicle owners must consider the quality of the replacement part to ensure the design, technical aspects, and manufacturing meets the level of the OE components for proper longevity and performance. Utilizing a complete undercar solutions provider like GSP that specializes in suspension, steering, and driveline technology with OE quality components is a way to ensure this quality. GSP's driveline components include front and rear half shafts, propeller shafts, rear axle shafts, intermediate shafts, stub shafts, and drive flanges. High-quality materials, strict manufacturing techniques, and state-of-the-art automated production lines assure product fit, performance, and function adhere to OEM specifications. Whether import or domestic, car, truck, or van, the core of driveline operation depends on the performance of the driveshaft in every situation, from sharp turns to short trips to the long haul. You can expect performance from GSP. You can demand performance from GSP. Designed to handle everything you throw at them, GSP components are engineered to perform and last. For efficient quality repairs that provide you and your customers with peace of mind, look to the undercar game changers from GSP. That's GSP in action. Thanks for watching.
This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Visit our website for more information.